It is increasingly popular in ballroom dancing today to adapt and vary figures for creative purposes. An example of this is the backwards fallaway as danced in this video, where the man is essentially dancing the lady's fallaway steps and vice versa for the lady. This can take us to what is also referred to as a counter fallaway position. As part of this sequence, we are ending the backwards fallaway with a right lunge figure, which is a figure we have used in a number of our videos in the past. We are exiting the fallaway with a slip action coming from a toe for both the man and the lady. And now a little bit slower for you guys.